time to try it. I really hope this works. I did the adjustment for the linkage. That's the neutral handbrake on. Everything sticks to my glove. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how the car moves. Clutch and brake, clutch and brake, clutch and brake on. Release the brake. Might be okay. Still forward. Shit. Second works. Still forward. Forward. Still forward. I will adjust them again. Okay, so finally it's working. I had to move this. It's back to wiggling, but that noise, that's the noise when you know the gear reverse is engaged. That's the noise. First gear, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, reverse. Reverse. I'll show you what fixed it. Okay, so I adjusted both of them. I did this, but actually this was supposed to be a bit outside. There should be more here, so it pushes further in that direction, and I was making it less, and that's why it didn't work. So now the key is here. This part, you see, it's going all the way in. Yeah, so make sure both of them don't have those plastic things out. This one and this one, both of them. So now this is neutral. Reverse. So the key was to unlock this and move it a bit forward so it pushes a bit more to lower this part more. Hope this helps you. It's pretty tricky. Just make sure you do the alignment. But that can also help. I will get some nice cold water. I will get some nice cold water to drink, mineral water, and I will go for a drive to make sure that the gears shift from first gear to fifth gear. I'll go on the highway just to make sure the car is safe to drive, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Okay. So sounds good. Perfect. All the stuff here. It wasn't going. When I had this problem with the reverse, it was also not going well on the second gear, but now they're all fine. So first gear, second, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and reverse. Yeah, that sound means it's okay. You hear like some metal gears grinding a little bit. Nice. Put it in neutral, don't forget to put it in neutral. This is my stuff here. I'll keep this in the car just in case I need it, hopefully not. But if there is anything, I will use the gear shift handle lever to set it in reverse manually if I have to. I'll get the power bank was powering the phone. I had this light also, but it's not here. That's not so good light, but yeah. And also power. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. Oops, that thing. Okay, so the car is not going in the fifth gear. It goes in reverse. Second. It's going in reverse. First gear, second, third, fourth, but fifth it's not going far enough because I adjusted to compensate for the reverse, and there is that bushing that is not great. It's wiggling, so it's not moving for front and back, but left and right. So this is that. It's that bushing. So I'll have to replace that. I have to put something there. I need to find the part. So there is no play front and back. Only left and right. So I adjusted it so I can put it in reverse, so I can drive the car. First reverse, but this might seem like it's fifth gear, but it's actually third. I drive it doesn't go in fifth gear, it doesn't stay there. Fifth gear should be here locked. Still not a bad deal. I have to replace the bushing and adjust the linkage again to make it a little bit less. I put it too much. Maybe now it's fifth gear, I don't know. It's not really. Still not bad. You could drive the car like this. First reverse until fourth gear and then replace the bushing, adjust the linkage a little bit. I'm gonna order a bushing online. I couldn't find it in a shop here. So that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Okay. Don't forget to put this thing back. That's all. Okay. Most important, the reverse works. First, second, third, fourth. And when I get the bushing, I will adjust the linkage to be less, not so much like I did it now. I won't have this play like this. Thanks for watching.